Hi, I'm Marlena Burko-Coates, and I'm going to show my friend Sally here how to drive with easy supports to keep her back and hips in alignment. So I have a washcloth and a towel, and I've rolled them both up. You can use either one. Sometimes it depends on the size of your leg. They both can be easily stored in the door in your car for handiness, and also in case you ever eat anything, you got a little wipe there. But these are going to go under your leg of your driver's leg, like a fulcrum, like a seesaw. Perfect. And what that does is it allows her hip to not be hovered high. And so she stays in this, you can do 10 and 2. Nice 10 and 2. She stays in alignment with her hips, in alignment and not kinked up. And then that doesn't push her hip forward while she's driving. It makes such a huge difference on a long drive. You'll really notice it, but if your hips aren't great, do it even on the short drives. It's very easy, and you will notice it when you get out of the car that your back doesn't hurt, your shoulders don't hurt. It doesn't squeeze you all out of position. How's that feel, Sally?
Great.
All right, good to go.